Today's the day, Bill. Unhinged versus the facade. What do you think's going through his mind right now?
I'm not sure, Frank, but look at that stare down. This is a man on a mission.
Look at that, Bill. He's putting on the gloves. It's about to get serious.
That right there is the face of determination.
Today is the day we bring the facade down. Just as nerve-wracking as setting it up, but the first thing I got to do is get this fence out of the way and get the lighting out of the way that's still sitting there.
Look at this intimidation tactic by Unhinged. He's basically sending a message saying, you're next.
Not sure how well it's working. The facade seems unfazed.
I don't know, Bill. With the quick work he made of that fence and the fact that he's putting it to bed, the facade's gotta be just a little bit nervous.
Maybe, but just look at that thing, Frank. It's huge. I mean, this is truly a beast of a facade.
You got that right, Bill. Unhinged is really gonna have to think about his plan of attack, or this could get ugly really quick.
Everything's out of the way. Now we tackle this beast. I'm gonna have to gather some help. My daughter's asleep, people are asleep. I'm gonna have to rustle everybody up. But we're gonna get all the black off first, and then all the trim off, and then we'll start tearing this thing apart.
This is a smart move, Frank. He's gonna do it tactically. He's gonna soften it up by attacking all those small things first.
Yes, Bill, and if I heard him correctly, he's gonna tag in some help. Smart move.
Now wait a minute. I thought he was gonna bring in some help.
Well, look at that, Bill. He did get some help. It's like they appeared out of thin air.
Thin air or not, Frank. With Unhinged and his help, it doesn't look like the facade stands a chance.
I have to agree. Just look at that. They made short work of that facade.
Yes, sir. What was once a mighty facade now lays in shambles under the power of Unhinged and friends.